Yes. Today we will start new chapter, that is financial market. First of all, before starting the chapter, we will learn what is financial market. Anybody can tell me what is market? Can anybody tell me what is market? No one can answer? It's amazing, beta. You can easily answer what is market. It's a place where we easily we can purchase our required commodities. That is called market. Market is the place where buyers and sellers both meet together. So here we are discussing about financial market. Financial market means the market where we can buy or sell finances. We can fulfill our need of finances. See, there are two type of people in market. First one is, here I'll write the name of chapter, financial market. So, in market, there are two type of people involved. First is investor or savers. These are the people who save their money at home and now they want to invest their money. They will go to the market, to the financial market. They want to invest their savings in some productive channels. That is why they will go to the market. And the second person involved in that market is purchaser of these finances. The purchaser is company. Everybody knows that companies always need money for establishing their business, for running their business, for growing their business. Every time they need money. So investors want to sell their savings, sell their finances, and the companies want to purchase these finances. These the buyers and sellers meet together. That place is called financial market. So this is the definition of financial market. Let's learn what is the financial system. In market, if we will go, then what is the financial system? This is the financial system. Let's see how the activities will go on. First of all, in market, there are some banks. Banks are those institutions which are common for both investors or savers will deposit their savings to the banks, and companies, first of all, they will approach to bank for getting some money. So banks is the institution. Now here are some investors or savers. They will deposit their money in bank. Okay, these investors will deposit their money in bank, and some of the investors will go in financial market. Some of the investors will go to bank to deposit their savings, and some of the savers will go to financial market for investment purpose. On the other hand, some companies are there. What the companies will do? First of all, companies will go to bank for a loan purpose. Okay, company will go to bank for a loan purpose, and sometimes some of the companies will go to issue their debentures and shares in financial market, to issue their securities in financial market. On the basis of these securities are just certificate or acknowledgement of the investment that other person has invested in their company. That is, the acknowledgement will be given to them. They will have a documental proof that we have invested in your company. Okay, so sometimes companies may raise funds from banks, sometimes companies may raise funds through issuing of securities, and these people will purchase these securities and give their money to the companies. One more system is there. What whatever investors give their savings, bank will give these amounts to companies, है ना? Bank will, a company will go to bank and bank will give them money. Investors will deposit their money here. Some of the investors went to market with their money. Companies go to market with certificates, with securities, and against of it, they will bring money. Is it clear to everyone? In financial system, there are two people involved and two organizations involved. First person is investors or savers. Another person is company. These two persons want to meet together, but they don't know each other. That is why where they will meet, how without knowing each other, without meeting each other, how they can help each other. They want to use their savings in some productive manner so that they can earn something on their savings. They want to use, they want to have money so that they can run their business. So they are in searching of each other, but they don't know, then they will find some mediators. There are two mediators. First one is bank, second one is financial market. So some of the savers or investors will go to bank to deposit their excess money in bank. They will deposit, company will apply for loan to the bank, company will go to the bank for applying of loan, and whatever money was deposited to the bank, bank will give this money to the company as a loan. Clear? Same thing is here. Some of the investors will go to financial market with the purpose of investing their money in some securities. Companies will go to market with their securities and they will give securities to investors and investors will give them money. Company is giving them securities, against of them they are taking money. This is the financial system of financial market. Here we are discussing about financial market. Two people want to involve in a transaction. With the help of these two people will involve in a transaction with each other without knowing each other. With the help of these two organizations, they can involve in financial system. Once the investors, the home savers will invest their money in anyhow, whether to the bank or to the financial market or to any other financial institution. They will give their money, they will enter in financial market automatically. Whether they know it or not, they will automatically enter and they will contribute in money formation in stock market or in financial market, financial system. They are in circulation of that. ओके अगर हम अपनी होम सेविंग्स जो होती हैं, हमारी छोटी छोटी सेविंग्स अगर हम बैंक में डिपॉजिट करते हैं, दैट मींस वी आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग इन कंट्रीज फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम. इसका मतलब ये होता है दैट वी आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग इन फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम ऑफ द कंट्री. वी आर कंट्रीब्यूटिंग फॉर द ग्रोथ ऑफ कंट्री. ठीक है, इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ में हम कंट्रीब्यूट कर रहे हैं कंट्री के डेवलपमेंट में. If you are giving your savings to even bank, we are not going. Most of the people, most of the common savers do not go for financial market. Okay, now that was the financial system. Now let's go for functions of financial market. First function is, and the first and most important function is mobilization of savings and channelizing them into the most productive use. See, these are the savers, these are the savings. Mobilize these savings. These savings were just kept at home. वो तिजोरी में घर में पड़े हुए थे these savings. So market, capital market, financial market क्या करता है? Financial market will keep out that money. उसे निकाल के बैंक में डाला, चाहे वहां डाल दिया, कहीं भी किसी भी फाइनेंशियल इंस्टीट्यूशन में डाल दिया. So mobilize किया, इन सेविंग्स को मोबिलाइज किया. मोबिलाइज कैसे किया? Channelize them into productive use. ठीक है, प्रोडक्टिव यूज मींस यहाँ पर प्रोडक्शन, कमोडिटी प्रोडक्शन की बात नहीं हो रही है, मनी प्रोडक्शन की बात हो रही है, मनी फॉर्मेशन. यहाँ पर ये फाइनेंसेस अगर यहाँ रहते तो किसी यूज के रहते 100 रुपीज ही रहते. बट अगर ये 100 रुपीज विल गो टू बैंक, देन बैंक विल गिव हिम 10 रुपीज इन रिटर्न, है ना, एज ए इंटरेस्ट. इंटरेस्ट मिलता है सेविंग्स पर, so bank will give them 10 rupees. So now 100 rupees will become 110. Next thing is their money has mobilized and utilized in some productive use. Now these companies will channelize these money. These 100 rupees will be taken by company. Company will produce some commodity, sell in market, and they will earn 150 rupees. So 50 rupees are also make increment in this 100 rupees. So that 100 rupees, how much increment is given? That 100 rupees, 10 rupees goes to him as an interest, and 50 rupees goes to this company as profit. So 100 rupees has become 160. It will mobilize and channelize into a productive use. Money formation use में डाल दिया हमने savings. Okay, that is the first most important function of financial system is financial market. First most important function is that savings will be mobilized. Movement में आ गई, क्या वो इधर से आई है इधर से movement में आ गई, ठीक है. Savings will be mobilized and will be used in most productive use. Most productive use means maximum use कहाँ हो सकता है. Companies जब finances use करती हैं then every time they try to maximum utilize their money. With the minimum money they want to earn max to max profit, है ना. So companies will utilize these savings into most productive uses, and this productive use money formation, whatever money will be produced through these 100 rupees will be shared with both of them. If he will give his savings to bank, bank will give him 10 rupees, and 60 rupees में से 50 rupees they will keep as their profit. If they will, investors will go to market, then 50 rupees 60 rupees में से 10 rupees will be given to them as dividend or interest, and rest of the 50 rupees will be earned by company. Company इस 50 rupees को भी involve कर देगी reproduction में. तो 150 इन्वॉल्व होकर के वही 100 रुपीज चल रहा है, उसका 50 रुपीज का और मनी जनरेशन हो गया, ठीक है. तो ये 100 रुपीज अभी 60 रुपीज तो फर्स्ट टाइम में अर्न किया, ये 100 रुपीज फर्म के अंदर अगर रहेगा तो ये और मनी जनरेट करता रहेगा. सपोज इन्वेस्टर ने अपने ये 100 रुपीज वापस मांग लिए, बैंक से वापस मांगने, बैंक ने कहा मेरे पैसे वापस करो, मुझे उसे वापस करने. तो बैंक विल take this 100 rupees out from this channel and will go to home again. He will withdraw from bank 100 rupees. So this money will be withdrawn. Money formation उस 100 रुपए का money formation stop हो जाएगा. So what is good? Good condition is that savers will earn from some other source और यहाँ पर savings को channelize करते रहें production use में, productive use में, money formation use में. Okay? जैसे ही उन्होंने विड्रॉ किया, इसलिए विड्रॉ किया, यहाँ से मनी विड्रॉ हो जाएगा तभी तो उसको देंगे. मनी विड्रॉ होते के साथ ही मनी फॉर्मेशन रुक गया, ग्रोथ रुक गई, इंडस्ट्रियल ग्रोथ रुक गई, कंपनी की, कंट्री की, है ना. सो इट इज इंपॉर्टेंट व्हेनेवर यू विल अर्न समथिंग यू शुड गो फॉर द इन्वेस्टमेंट. नाउ द सेकंड फंक्शन इज फैसिलिटेट प्राइस डिस्कवरी. व्हाट इज प्राइस डिस्कवरी? सी, प्राइस डिस्कवरी होता है प्राइस फिक्सेशन. कमोडिटी प्राइस फिक्सेशन करते हो, सेम थिंग इज हियर. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट विल फिक्स द प्राइसेस ऑफ प्राइसेस में, इसको दूसरी लैंग्वेज में बोले कॉस्ट ऑफ फाइनेंसेस. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट विल डिटरमाइन कॉस्ट ऑफ फाइनेंसेस. एवरीबॉडी नोज व्हाट इज कॉस्ट ऑफ फाइनेंस. For borrowed capital, interest, and for owner's capital, dividend. So in one language I'll say cost of finances is interest or dividend, which will be determined by financial market. Normal market में क्या होता है? Forget about financial. What happens in market? In market economics everybody has learned. In market what happens? Whatever is the supply of product and whatever is the demand of product, accordingly demand and supply balancing, the prices of the commodities are fixed. ठीक है. The prices fluctuate as per the demand and supply of the product. If demand is high, then product prices will go high. If supply is high, then prices will go down. Clear? Same thing is here. This is the market which will determine the cost of finances. That's all. If savers are too much, savers are in bulk, savers are large in number of quantity and they have large amount to invest in financial market, then this is called high supply. If supply will be high, then prices will be down. Company will determine, the market will determine that supply is high and demand. Company do not want to take these savings. Company do not want to issue their shares or debentures. They do not want to issue their securities. In such case, company do not want to take loan from bank. So in such case, what will happen? Supply is high, demand is low. Here is the demand. Okay, here is the supply. Demand is low, supply is high. Then prices will go down. So low interest, low dividend rate will be fixed by financial market because supply is high. Suppose investors do not want to invest in company, in business. They do not want to invest their money anywhere. Then in such case, and companies want money, then company will offer them high prices. इनको लालच देने के लिए company will offer them high prices. So financial market क्या करेगा? Supply is low, demand is high, then prices will be high. Demand is high, prices will be high. So financial market do the function of price discovery. Okay, that means price, and he alone can't analyze the whole stock market, whole money market, financial market. This company alone can't analyze the whole money market, financial market. Who will analyze? Market situations. Market situations, the authorities, the persons who will control the market activities. Saving. Okay? They will determine the prices. Clear? Next one. Next function is provide liquidity to financial asset. Provide liquidity. That means provide liquidity to asset. Sorry, financial asset. What is the financial asset here? Financial asset is securities. These companies will issue securities. What type of securities? If they are going to this market, then shares and debentures, bonds, public deposits, preferential shares, all these are the assets. If company will go here, then they may have some physical existence assets which can be mortgaged against of loan. So whatever assets the company have, whether the company is going to here or here, in this point the term is used financial asset. That means here we are discussing about securities, not the financial assets, the physical assets. मशीनरी वगैरह की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, बिल्डिंग की बात नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम बात कर रहे हैं सिक्योरिटीज. So the company having financial assets, these financial assets, money market will liquidize them. Liquidize means convert them into cash. So money market will provide cash against of their securities. They will issue securities and they will give them money. They will purchase securities and give them money. They are now, the company is successful to sell their financial asset. Company ने successfully अपना financial asset sale कर दिया, isn't it? So financial market will facilitate to liquidize the financial assets. Financial asset इनके पास था, liquidize मतलब sale करके cash convert करना. So this they have financial assets. It was purchased by them and money will be given to them. It is liquidation of asset. Now next one is reduce the cost of transaction. How the transaction cost is reduced? See, financial market will provide whole information about the market. Complete information they will provide to the company, to the investors, to both the parties. Financial market will provide complete information about this and this. If they want to invest, what the information will be given to them? If they want to invest, then the financial market will provide them that what the rule regulations are there, what their rights are there, what their responsibilities are there, how they should check the company before investment, है ना? कौन सी precaution लेनी चाहिए before investment, and which companies are good in their transaction and which companies are not loyal, which companies are defaulters and which companies are the good companies. Financial market will give them information. Whose prices are going up, whose prices are going down, which company is providing them high rate of dividend, high rate of interest, which company is providing them low rate. Every information will be given to them so that they can analyze and smartly, intelligently they can invest their money in some good companies, in their beneficial companies. पर्पस क्या है? फर्स्ट पर्पस क्या है? मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव यूज में सेविंग्स को चैनलाइज करना. सो सेविंग्स मोस्ट प्रोडक्टिव, दैट मीन्स गुड प्रोजेक्ट्स में इन्वेस्ट होनी चाहिए, गलत प्रोजेक्ट में, फ्रॉड में या लो अर्निंग कंपनीज में नहीं होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, दे वांट दिस. On the other hand, company, what type of information will be given to companies? Financial market will provide them information about the suppliers. Investors, what type of investors are available in market? They want to invest in borrowed capital or equity capital. What the prices are there, they are ready to give all information. What the price, what the financial cost is going on in market. All these information will be given by financial market to company, so that company will issue their securities accordingly. If the investors want to, if investors are interested in investing their money in owners capital, in shares they want to invest, then company will issue shares. If investors want to issue want to save their savings in borrowed capital and debentures, then the company will issue debenture securities accordingly. So last function is reduce the cost of transaction. That means it will provide whole information to both the parties so that they will not waste their money in investing in wrong project, and they will not unnecessarily do any efforts. If they want to invest in shares and these companies are issuing debentures, and there is no use, they can't invest, they can't involve in any transaction, these two parties. That is why reduce the cost of transaction means, that means time cost, money cost, everything can be reduced. The effort should be reduced. With the minimum effort, minimum time, the transaction takes place. Okay, so these are the four functions of financial market. Now let's go for the next topic, that is financial market will be classified into two categories. Let's see. Financial market will be categorized into two categories. First one is capital market. Second one is money market. What is the difference between these two? One by one we will learn. Capital market is the market where firms can raise their funds for long term. Money market is the market where funds are raised in short term. Short term, what is the definition of long term and short term? Up to 1 year, up to the time period of 12 months. This is called short period. So if the company want to raise short period loan, short period funds the company want to raise, then they will go to money market. And if the company want to raise more than 1 year, is called long term. If the company want to raise funds for more than 1 year, in such case the company will prefer capital market. Okay, so capital market is long term market, money market is short term market. Marketplace is same, just the market is classified into two categories. If the companies will issue long term securities and investors will invest in long term securities, this is called capital market activities. And if they want to raise funds for short term, then they will not issue shares or debentures or something like that. Long term securities will not be issued. So the difference is securities according to the time period. If the company want to raise funds for long period, then some other securities will be issued. These securities may be borrowed capital or owners capital, shares, debentures, preferential shares, bonds, public deposits, and long-term bank loans. These may be. And if the company want to raise funds for short term, then commercial papers, treasury bills, commercial bills, call money, something, such type of securities will be such type of funds sources will be used for raising funds. So these are the two type of categories. So here we will write equity and debt. In these two, all the securities will be involved. Owners' securities will be in this category. Borrowed capital securities will be in this category. Here, money market may have so many: commercial bill, commercial paper, treasury bill, call money, public deposits, and certificate. This is also called certificate of deposit, CD. This is also called. So these are the securities which are used in capital market or money market. This much is sufficient for today. If you anybody having any queries or any problem, then you may ask later. Okay.